How to fix Netflix error code E109. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into any of the web browser that you have been using the Netflix website. Once you're in here, click on this three dot icon at the bottom right corner. And then you have to move into History. It will show you all the history of the site that you have made on Chrome. You need to search for all the Netflix site and then remove it. Tap and hold the site and then click on Delete. Likewise, remove all the Netflix site from the Chrome. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is go back and head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Chrome. Move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of resume or update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, simply click on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.